Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Imagine a warm, deep red bowl of beet soup, rich with vegetables and a swirl of creamy sour cream. That's Borsch, a classic Eastern European soup. In this video, we'll explore what Borsch is, its key ingredients, and what makes it so comforting and special. If you have ever seen a deep red soup topped with a swirl of white cream, you were probably looking at Borsch soup. You will also see it spelled Borscht or Borsch, but all of these names point to the same cozy classic. It is a beet-based soup loved across Eastern Europe and far beyond. Borsch tastes slightly sweet from beets, gently sour, rich, and very savory. It feels like a hug in a bowl on a cold night. Every family has its own version, some packed with beef, others light and vegetarian. In this video, you will learn what Borsch is, which ingredients you actually need, a simple step-by-step method, and easy serving tips so you can tackle your first pot with confidence. What is Borsch soup and where did it come from? Borsch is a beet soup that usually includes cabbage, potatoes, carrots, onions, and tomato. Many versions also use meat, often beef or pork, but it can be fully vegetarian and still taste satisfying. The base is a clear broth-colored deep red by beets, then filled with tender vegetables and a pleasant sour note. You will find Borsch in Ukraine, Russia, Poland, Belarus, and other Slavic countries, served at family tables, holidays, and small cafes. For many people, it reminds them of home, grandparents, and long talks over hot bowls of soup. Borsch can be hot or cold. Hot Borsch is most common, served steaming with sour cream and bread. Cold Borsch, sometimes blended with kefir or yogurt, is popular in warmer months. What makes Borsch stand out from other soups is its intense color and the balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavors in every spoonful. Key features that define classic Borsch soup. A beet-heavy base that gives color and gentle sweetness. A clear sour note from vinegar, lemon, or fermented beet or cabbage juice. Layers of flavor from slowly cooked vegetables and sometimes meat. A bright ruby or deep pink color that looks striking in the bowl. Toppings like sour cream, fresh dill, parsley, or green onion for contrast. Simple Borsch soup ingredients you actually need. Borsch sounds complex, but most versions use regular grocery store items. You do not need rare spices or special tools. Think of it as a hearty vegetable soup with beets as the star. If you can chop vegetables and let a pot simmer, you can make it. The ingredients fall into three main groups: vegetables, broth or stock, and the final finishes that bring sourness, creaminess, and freshness. There is plenty of room to swap items based on what you have, so do not stress if your fridge is not perfect. Core vegetables that build color and flavor. Beets are the base, giving Borsch its red color and light sweetness. Cabbage adds gentle crunch, bulk, and a familiar soup taste. Carrots bring extra sweetness and a soft texture. Onions give depth and a savory backbone to the broth. Potatoes make the soup filling, almost like a full meal in one bowl. Now that you know the essentials of Borsch soup and its flavors, in the next video we'll show you step by step how to cook it at home. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.